Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to see how many hours you've played Valorant. So guys, I did my research and I think this is the best website to track how many hours you have played in a certain games. So guys, this website is tracker.gg, and then from here, as you can see, the first game that you will find is a Valorant. And from here, guys, just sign in with your Riot ID, or you can just provide your player name over here. And guys, I recommend that you sign in with Riot ID so you won't have any problems. And after that, just select all acts. And then from there, you'll be able to see your overall playtime on a Valorant. And guys, as you can see, they offer also multiple various games that you can check your game time with. And there you go. I recommend this website. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.